Today I am at the Amsterdam Airport Schiphol, and in this video we are going to show you how to find the baggage storage outside the arrival area. So after you collect baggage and after you pass the immigration, there is one place in the Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam where the baggage storage is. So first of all, you have to know that there are 4 terminals where you can come out from. Departures 1, 2, 3 or 4. So right now in front of departure 1 and 2. So precisely in between departure 1 and 2, this is 1 and the next is 2 there, and in between there is a passage where these people are going, and that is where on the left hand side the baggage storage is. So a baggage storage might be helpful if you are putting your baggage there and going to visit Amsterdam and coming back the same day or one day later. So this is the baggage storage which is there outside the departure area. So we are going to follow the how to find this baggage storage and how to use it. So it's between arrivals 1 and arrivals 2. Remember that. And we are going now to the baggage. So to go to the baggage storage, you have to go 1 floor down. So on the left hand side you see this baggage storage sign, and then you go with the steps or with the lift 1 floor down. When you go 1 floor down, you already see where the baggage storage is. This is where the baggage storage is there, outside the departure area of Amsterdam Airport. As you can see, these are the prices for the baggage storage. For hand baggage, for specific limitations, it's €6 per item for 24 hours. For big baggage, it's €9 for 24 hours. And for odd size baggages, it's €12. And you can always pay by cards and bank card. PIN is just using your debit card and credit cards. This is the place where you give your baggages to the personnel in Schiphol, where he or she will collect it and store it for you. This is also the place where you pay for the baggage storage. This is called baggage storage. So in this baggage storage area, as you can see, the people are putting their baggages and paying to the person behind the luggage section. So after paying, they will get a ticket in order to prove that they put their luggage. And behind this area there will be lockers, safe lockers, where the personnel will always store the baggages. So after 24 hours or more than that, you come back and you pay showing your ticket by PIN, debit card or credit card. As you can see, the personnel takes the luggage and he or she will store it. So this is how the Schiphol baggage storage is working.